नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कार बाय निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ, मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। आज की वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए है जिनको लोअर बैक में पेन रहता है ना। जनरली अगर हमें लोअर बैक इश्यूज रहते हैं तो वी एंड अप डूइंग भुजंगासनास और बैक के आसनास, बट समटाइम्स इट इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ टाइट हिप्स। टाइट हिप्स होने की वजह से हमारे लोअर बैक में भी पेन होता है। सो इस वीडियो में हम 15 मिनट्स हिप ओपनिंग फ्लो करेंगे that can also provide relief to your lower back pain. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. So we will start by sitting at the edge of the mat. Let's sit in Sukhasana. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale and touch the floor. Stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up, lengthen the spine, lean back. Now you're going to switch your legs. Again, inhale, lengthen the spine. Now exhale, go down. Now try not lifting the sit bones off the mat. Up, stay here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again, inhale, slowly come up. Now from here, come into tabletop position. Tabletop se we'll get into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here, alternate heel touch. 1, 2, stay here for 5 breaths. 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, right hand in the center, left foot outside. Keep the left knee locked. Slide it back. Now look in front. Now stay here for 6 breaths. कोशिश करेंगे कि लेफ्ट नी एकदम लॉक्ड है, इससे आपके हिप फ्लेक्सर्स ओपन होंगे। लेट्स गो, होल्ड फॉर 6 ब्रेथ्स। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slowly, left knee down. Up, place the right elbow down, left elbow. Now make sure the right shoulder and the right knee, they are in contact constantly. So internally rotate the right knee and again look forward. Now stay here for again 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 more breaths, 5, and 6. Now slowly come up on the palm. Now from here, opposite hand. Now with the right hand, take the left toe and pull. Now make sure you don't lift the hip up. Push the hip down, pull, and stay here. You're going to stay here for 6 breaths. This is going to stretch your quads, your rectus femoris. 1, 2, 3, 3 more breaths. 4, 5, and 6. Slowly, slowly release. Carefully exit the posture. Place both the palm down. Lift the left knee and get the right foot back. Let's go. Take 1 deep breath here. Now, left palm in the center, left foot outside. Slide the right foot back. Keep the right knee locked. Stay here for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now from here, get the right knee down. Now get the left elbow down first and then right. Now make sure the right knee is internally rotated so that the left shoulder and the left knee are in contact. Now again stay here for 6 breaths. Keep breathing throughout. Don't hold the breath. Hold for 6 breaths the asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now from here come on the palms. Now without lifting the hip too much, just bend the right knee and grab with the left hand. And now make sure you try to touch the heel, the sit bone, and stay here for 6. 1. Keep pressing the hip down. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Make sure you carefully exit. Don't just drop the foot down. Lift the right knee and place the left elbow back. Stay here. Take 1, 2 and 3 breaths. Now from here again, right palm in the center, left foot outside. Now from here, we are going to place and drop the left knee down. Now right hand will come from the inside, left hand straight. So we are making a T with the hand and then drop the head down. Yes, for a deeper stretch. Now stay here for 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slowly come up. Now from here, lift the left knee up and then place the right foot back. Now from here, same thing. Left palm will come in the center, left foot will come out, and now just drop the right knee. Now once you drop the right knee, left hand will go under the left thigh, right hand making a T, and slowly inhale, look up and exhale down, and we are going to stay here for 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 more breaths, 5 and 6. Slowly. Make sure when you exit the asana, you're doing it carefully. Lift the right knee, left foot back, get into downward dog. Take 3 deep breaths here. 1, 2 and 3. Now from here, externally rotate the right foot and now bring it parallel. Now once you get the right foot parallel, now make sure the pelvic, you are pushing the pelvic towards the front heel side. So you're pushing the pelvic towards the left side. Now once you're here, inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, come on the elbow. Now make sure your shoulders are active and they're not dropping down. Stay here for 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We're going to stay in the same position. Now from here we are going to twist towards the right side, and now we are going to get the left cheek on the right toe. And now we are going to stay here for 6 more breaths. 1, 2. This is going to give a deeper stretch on the right glute. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slowly, slowly inhale, come up. Now get the right foot in, left knee up and right foot back. Now take one deep breath here. And now externally rotate the left leg slowly. Get the left shin bone parallel to the mat. Adjust the back leg. And now from here, we'll keep pushing the hip towards the heel. So, towards the right side. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, come on the elbow. Stay here for 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now from here, we'll stay in the same position. We are going to twist. Now since the left leg is forward, we are going to get the right cheek on the left toe. So we are going to twist and stay. You will feel a deeper stretch on the left glute. Stay here for 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One more breath. 6. Slowly, slowly inhale, come up. Get the left foot closer. Lift the right knee and then get into Adho Mukha. From here, we are going to get the right foot outside, left foot outside, and we are going to sit comfortably in Malasana. Stay here, lengthen the spine and stay for 5 deep breaths. Now here, you have to keep pushing the knee out. So try to bring the palm in the center. This way you can keep pushing the elbow out and stay. Now we are going to stay here for 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now in this position, I am going to get the left palm behind, extend the right, internally rotate, grab over the right knee. Now grabbing the left wrist, inhale and exhale, look towards the left shoulder. Stay here for 5. 1, 2, to feel the stretch, you are going to feel in the glutes, in the ankles. 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, center, and then slowly, slowly release. From here, right palm behind. Extend the left hand and then grab. Rotate. Now I'm grabbing the right wrist. You can grab the fingers if you're not able to grab the wrist. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, look towards the right shoulder. Stay here for 6 breaths. Now make sure you're not holding the breath. Try to breathe normally and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, slowly come up. From here, place the palm, get the feet in and then just walk back, knee down, child pose. Take 5 deep breaths here. 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here, we are just going to cross the ankle. Slowly, just lie down for the final asana, the happy baby pose. So from here, the knee and ankle in one line, hands from the inside, and now from here, press the knee down. The knee and ankle will remain in one line and then press. Now let's go, stay here. 1, 2. We are going to stay for 6 breaths. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now slowly, slowly hug your knee. Stay here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly straighten the legs. Drop in Savasana. Take 5 to 6 deep breaths. Don't think about the practice. Focus on your breath. Complete awareness on the breath. Take as long as you want and stay. You can pause the video if you want to stay longer. And if you feel you're ready, you're going to join your palms, bend the knee, drop towards the right side. Slowly, slowly. Sit in any comfortable position. And slowly, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new. And if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It is going to mean a lot to me. मैं अपने चैनल में ऐसे ही योगा फ्लोस डालती हूँ और कभी-कभी कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्स आसनास को भी ब्रेक डाउन करती हूँ ताकि आप उसे समझ के इजीली अपने घर पे कर सकें. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends, family. जिसके साथ भी आप ये शेयर करें, जिसको भी ये बेनिफिट कर सके. My work is done here. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.